Alright, we made it to Hokkaido. And it's literally a winter wonderland. Check out the ski slopes right by our hotel. But right now, we're freezing and we gotta find a 7-Eleven. So let's go look. So now, we're gonna go find Mark. And we're gonna go across this beautiful bridge.
The water's frozen.
Oh, that's cool. The water's frozen. Here's the river. And the shitty thing about this part is it's windy as hell. And it's frozen. Biting into my face. Almost there. About halfway. Almost across the bridge. There's the river, partly frozen. There's Dane. Here's me. I can't see anything because my eyes are watering. It's so windy. And it snowed last night. A fair amount too. Alright. About 15 more minutes of walking and we should be there. Don't walk away from me.
That's the tattoo.
Really? Jesus.
That's so cool. Break yourself, fool! There's an ogre outside the temple.
Oh! Got my Hokkaido ice money. My wrist is frozen.
Jesus. Tips? It's getting dark. There are bears present. 10 things not to do on a ski lift. So how fat do you, or 10 things not to say to the ski lift operator. How fat do you have to be to break this fucking thing? How fast can this thing go? What kind of roller coaster is this? When was the last time this thing was inspected? I don't want to ski, I just want to ride this. Dude, I tried to fucking film going down and I fucking ate shit. But I think it was good because it's like, then you get to see me eat shit. I knew it was gonna happen. You got it. I got it. I gotta fall.
Alright, it's probably close to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, probably minus 15 Celsius. I'm fucking freezing. but it's all gonna be worth it. So we walked around Furano during the night, during the day, checked out all the cool sights. We walked through the forest. What's up, buddy?
What's up, pal?
2 vloggers, just vlogging. And after exploring through the cold night of the Ningle Terrace, we came across a little children's amusement park out in the open. These are the bright lights right here, and we went to hit the buffet. We're off to the buffet now. Get our eat on.
Like joking with him, and then he pushes me as hard as he can.
I thought you were trying to push me home.
I thought that if I was trying to push you, you'd be down.
So right now I found a really cool spot outside. This is our hostel, by the way. And it's midnight, freezing. I'm gonna go out and find a cool picture. This is our last day in Furano. Tomorrow we go to Sapporo, the capital of Hokkaido, and check out the ice festival. This is the only bus stop near our hotel, and they even have a little bench for us. And they even have a little blanket in there as well, if you can see it. And right now, it's actually kind of warm. So I'm gonna head back, grab a taxi, and head to Sapporo. While waiting for the train, I got a VIP tour with this awesome Japanese lady. Thank you, thank you.
Please enjoy Furano.
I love,
Oh.
I go snowboarding over there. I'll tell you one thing that's for sure, I want to miss this town. I could probably do a year abroad here. There's not much to do. There's no clubs, there's a few bars, but I'll probably find myself at a 7-Eleven just buying beers for a good night, I guess. But other than that, you know, the skiing, the snowboarding, on point. Alright, till next time, Furano. Right now, this is the train to where we're going, Ashika, and we're going through the backcountry, and it's beautiful. We are in Sapporo now. Fuck me. And we're going to a restaurant to meet our
Dude, what the fuck, man?
Sorry. To meet our friend, and we're gonna go have some beers. And that was recording the whole fucking time. So we hopped in the taxi and headed towards a kebab-style place. Basically a very classic bar in Japan, and it's cool because it's cheap. Ladies first. It's so slippery. It's that one, right? Alright, we're going back to our Airbnb because our friend had a little incident. It just started snowing. And it's pretty cool. We just saw the ice festival, which is pretty cool. We'll see you next time.
Oh yeah.
Careful.